COVID-19. As the world fights the novel coronavirus, total cases rose to 97,510, including 3,345 deaths across 85 countries by Thursday. While Britain recorded its first death with the total number of confirmed cases jumping to 115, cases continue to surge in the US. The World Health Organization has appealed to the people to pull out all the stops to slow the epidemic. With a new case in Ghaziabad, India's COVID number reached 30 on Thursday. All primary schools in Delhi will remain closed till 31st March to prevent the possibility of the spread of coronavirus. A 47-year-old man was shot to death over a land dispute at Imphal supermarket in Imphal West in the early hours of the morning. The deceased has been identified as Kabrabam Nanau, son of late Kameshwar Singh of Uripo Kabrabam Lekai, Imphal. Police have arrested the accused following the fatal shooting incident, a report said. The Manipur Tribal Indigenous Farmers Committee (MTIFC) has imposed a 24-hour total shutdown on the national highways connecting Manipur from 1 a.m. today. The strike is in protest against the Manipur government's decision to re-engage the retired Chief Engineer L. Projendra Singh as the Chief Engineer cum Technical Consultant of Department of Tribal Affairs and Hills, the committee said. The Village Defence Force (VDF) today celebrated its 11th Raising Day across the state. Thoubal District VDF Welfare Association marked the day at SP Office Complex, Thoubal. The Thoubal Superintendent of Police Dr. S. Ibomcha, Sub-Divisional Police Officer Yaripok Lenchong Haukip, Nongpok Sekmai Police Station Officer in Charge Kesham Prem Kumar Mangang, Yaripok Police Station Officer in Charge Riazuddin Shah and other police officials were present at the occasion. An investors' meet on various inconveniences faced by the investors of Smart Society under Salai Holdings Private Limited was held today at Lamyanba Sanglen Palace Compound, Imphal. The meet was organized by Smart Members Welfare Association. Ahead of Yausang Festival, massive anti-liquor drives were carried out in Ziribam district yesterday. A large quantity of illicit liquor, including Indian-made foreign liquor (IMFL), was seized. Ziribam District Police handed over the seized liquors to the Excise Department, which was later destroyed. A team of Bishnupur Police, including women police personnel, led by District Superintendent of Police Priyadarshini Laishram, yesterday busted 10 illegal liquor factories at Nachao Chingdong Chothe Makha of the district. The team also arrested 9 people. In connection with the upcoming International Women's Day on 8th March, a screening camp for breast cancer, cervical cancer and other diseases was held today at Imam Market, Imphal. The medical camp was jointly organized by the Manipur Nursing Council, Community Health Officer, Health and Wellness Center and different nursing institutes. New office bearers of Meitei Irol Iek Silol Apunbalup, Meelal, took an oath at the Royal Palace today. Meelal President Yanglem Biren said that the organization has urged the state government to replace the words written in Bengali with written in Meitei Mayek in the Manipur Official Language Act 1979. However, the government has failed to meet the demand till date, he lamented. Curfew has been relaxed in Meghalaya capital Shillong and other places today. Curfew was relaxed in Police Bazaar areas bounded by Quitton Road to Umsosin Bridge and Khindai Lad to GS Road Butcher Road junction from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. today, according to media reports. Curfew in Bara Bazaar areas, Paltan Bazaar, Jeep Stand, Motfran and whole of cantonment areas has been relaxed from 5 a.m. to 1 p.m. Two-day Chapchar Kut celebration began in all parts of Mizoram amid fanfare and cultural fervor since yesterday. Chapchar Kut is the most important and biggest festival of the Mizos, which is celebrated in March after the completion of most arduous task of Jhum operation. Parliamentary proceedings were repeatedly disrupted this week as members from opposition parties demanded a debate on the Delhi riots in which 53 people were killed. The government on its part says it's ready for a discussion after Holi, that's according to the Lok Sabha Speaker. In the afternoon, 7 Congress MPs were suspended from Lok Sabha for the remaining of the budget session after they snatched papers from the Speaker's table. The Rajya Sabha has been adjourned till 11th March. 30th Annual Sports Meet 2020 of the Progressive English School has begun today at an Education Enhancement Organisation EEO Lumding Ground. The sports meet began with the school advisor Y. Themboy Singh unfurling the school flag. Students took out a torch rally during the opening ceremony.